Elon Musk is making news once again, this time for predicting that artificial intelligence could leave everyone unemployed. The billionaire painted a dystopian picture of a future where robots would steal all the jobs.
In an event, Musk said that artificial intelligence will take away all our jobs. The billionaire said, and I quote, "Probably none of us will have a job."
Elon Musk says he thinks artificial intelligence will steal our jobs.
Probably none of us will have a job. If you want to do a job, it's kind of like a hobby, you can do a job. But otherwise, the AI and the robots will provide any goods and services that you want.
What would your kind of observation be on AI and the impact on labour markets and people's jobs and how they should feel about that as they think about this?
There will come a point where no job is needed. You can have a job if you want to have a job for sort of personal satisfaction, but the AI will be able to do everything.
I don't know what you took out of that from Elon Musk, but one thing that I know is that we as overcomers, we can work smarter and be able to build our financial life in a way that even if AI is taking away all the jobs, we can still profit from what AI is doing. And so in this video, I want to show you how to open a news channel just with AI. And so you can open a channel that is a trending channel, and that will help you to easily grow. What do I mean by a trending channel? So if you look at this channel here on YouTube, it's just showing you news on AI. Anything that is happening regarding AI, the person is able to report. So those are things that are already trending. People are trying to find out information about AI. So this person can easily profit and report those news. And overcomers, guess what? With AI, you can do all of this for free. And you can make it in a way that you can start an AI news channel where you are only reporting trending issues. And of course, anything that is already trending, people are looking for that information. And if you are one of the first to report on that information, your channel is going to grow very rapidly. That's not all. And if you are talking about AI or anything that is developing, you can look for affiliate links and share under your videos, and you are still going to be able to make more money just by doing that. In order for you to be able to get this trending news, I want you to go to Google, and you can just type something like Google News, and then you come here under Google News. So these are different news items that are here on Google. Another thing that you can do, you can go to Google Trend. I've already made a video. You can follow this video and you'll be able to see how you can find information based on Google Trends. You come here, for example, look at this one. They just posted it 20 minutes ago. You can come and choose any random news just like this. These are just trending news. But my advice to you is that if you want to do something like this, make sure you are focusing on one of these. So the things that really trend more and that give money on the online space are health, wealth, and relationship. So if you focus on anything in this area, then you know that you are going to grow easily because you can monetize those channels in many different ways. So now when you are here like this, so look at all of this and pick which one you want. Let's say health, anyone. Let's just say, for example, we are taking technology, and then we are going to click here. Now, when you come here under technology, there is this information that they have here that they posted 9 hours ago. So let's say we just come here and click here, for example, and then it's going to open this news for us. So what you are going to do is that you just come here, you highlight it, and then you copy. So if there is any like picture here, you can just screenshot it. If there's any video, you screen record the video, just so that you can have some visual and some proof to show on your video that will make it more engaging. You can go to YouTube and other places and just get videos and audios that is related to your video. Also, one thing that you should do is that you copy this news item. You can come here, copy it, and then put it under your video just to show that this is where you got it from. So now go to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, create an account, and then now paste this thing here and tell ChatGPT to rewrite the news for you. If you want to make it entertaining, if you want to make it more educational, whatever, you can add it. You can also tell ChatGPT to do that for you, but I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to please rewrite the news, and I'm just going to click enter. So what will happen is that ChatGPT will rewrite the news for us. So the next thing I want you to do is to go down to the link down below and click on the link that says CapCut, and you are going to sign up for free. If you already have CapCut, you go ahead and log in. Now it's going to bring you to a page like this. You can use any of these forms to sign up. Just to mention that the best browser for you to use is Chrome. So now that we are here in CapCut, what I want you to do is to come here and create new, and then you come down to this one that is 16.9. So this one is going to be a long form for a YouTube video. If you are making a short, then you click on this one. So let's go ahead and click on the long video. Now when you open like this, you see it says here drag and drop media. So what you are going to do is that I want you to come to this place that says element. You know, sometimes when you just create your account, you might not be able to see all these things. It will take a little bit of time for it to be able to sync. So the first thing I want you to do is to come here where it says template, click on it, come to this search window and just search for news intro, and then you click enter. Now it's going to bring many different type of intros for you to choose any from, and let's say we just take this one and put here. So the next thing I want you to do is just to come here and search for newsroom, just like that, and then search here if you are going to be able to see any room. If you don't see anyone that you like, you go here to where it says template and just also search for newsroom, and then just search. You can always click here on view all, and it's going to show you all the different newsrooms that are here. And now you can just pull it like this, and then you put here just like that. So if I click in between, you'll see how the newsroom looks. Now the next thing that I want you to do, you can just come here. Now while you are here under element, just scroll down, you'll see this place that says AI characters. Now you can click here on see all, and then you are going to see all the different characters that are here. So you can look for characters that are sitting, you can look for characters that are standing, you can look for male, you can look for female. Let's say for example we take this guy, we can just take him and put him here like this. So now you can see how it is already. Now you can just shift him and put at the corner like this, or you can put him in the middle. Another thing that is very good is that you can actually put two characters. Let's just do that. So you can come now and just put like a female. Let's say we take this one and then we put here. Now you see that you already have two anchors. So now we can come to ChatGPT and just copy our news. Let's say we just copy from here, but of course I'm just copying without really reading, without looking. So you are going to look at it first. Let's say that the male will start talking first. You click on top of the male like this, you come here to this place that says AI character, you click here, and then you are going to see where to put your text. You just go ahead and paste your text right here, and then you apply just like that. So CapCut is going to do its thing. You can just play it.
Received one of the most significant leaks.
So when you do that, you see that the female is also making noise and is going to distract the male. So the way to solve that, so what I want you to do is that come here under the male, click here, and then you come to this place that says speed. You'll see that the video is 29.9 seconds. Now come back to this one that says female and come here and put here 29.9 seconds. So if you come here for example and then you click here,
we just received one of the most,
so you can see the man now is talking. Now another thing that you can do, another secret that you can make your video more engaging, so even though you can put them both like this, what you can do is that you can actually reduce the woman from time to time, right? Where it ends, you can bring the man to the middle. So at this point, you can come here and split the video right here. And then you bring this man to the middle. You can bring the man to the middle, or you can bring him to the corner just like that, just to make your video engaging. So let's play and then you'll see what happens. So now the woman is still there.
Next year's iPhone 17 lineup. Despite the iPhone 16 not yet being released.
You can go back now to ChatGPT, you copy the other information that you have not yet done, and then you bring it. So you can still copy it part by part. Now you bring it here, you see that the male ends here. Now you go ahead and take the female again and then bring her now here. You go ahead and do exactly the same thing we just did before, and then you put whatever you want her to talk here. So overcomers, this is something that you can easily do. So see what happens.
iPhone 17.
Allowing them to support promotion with a variable refresh rate.
So now that you have an idea how to create all of this, you go ahead and also put the male version here if you want to do that to make it really good. Here where this woman start talking, you can now come here to the text right here, right? And let's say the man's name is David, then the woman can be like, yes, David. She can start her own discussion and say by saying, yes, David, just to make sure that you keep it engaging, right? And then you apply it. And also another thing that you can do is that you can still look for these same characters, or you look for people that are sitting, you know. So you can start the news by making them sitting, you can make them standing. You just keep bringing all those variations, and then you can also bring elements to show the iPhone, you know, to just show the iPhone. That will make your news very engaging.
The upcoming lineup.
Yes, David.
You see how she starts by saying, yes, David. So you can do that, and then when the other person is transitioning, you can put in something that makes it look more authentic and more relatable, just like news. And of course, people will know that it's AI news. You are not hiding it from anybody. It's the way forward. But what they want from that is that they just want to get the current information. Another thing that I want you to know is that you need to make sure that you organize it. You see how she's too tall, it's like she's taller almost than the roof. If you have any information, that anything, any media, any photo that you want to upload and bring to your news, you can just come here and then you are going to upload here just like this. You go down to your files and then upload any file that you want to upload.
We've just received one of the most significant leaks regarding next year's iPhone 17 lineup, despite the iPhone 16 not yet being released. Let us hear direct from the headquarters.
Good evening, this is Anna Blayla reporting live from the Apple headquarters. I bet you didn't know the iPhone 17 Slim is here. The iPhone 17 Slim is set to impress with a 6.6-inch screen.
Thank you, Annabella. According to Ice Universe, all 4 rumored iPhone 17 models will feature LPO displays.
If you are new to the channel and you like what you see here, subscribe and become a part of the family. So Overcomers, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I'm going to see you in the next video.
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect.